everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Yes Bank credit card online account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Yes Bank is a private sector bank in India that offers a range of credit cards to its customers. It comes with various features, benefits and rewards and are designed to cater to different spending habits and lifestyles. To log in and access your credit card online, you can easily use your net banking service for Yes Bank. Go ahead and open up a web browser and into the URL box type in www.yesbank.in and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Yes Bank, go and mouse over to the login drop-down and select Yes Online option. This will take you to the login area for your net banking account. Go ahead and enter your login ID followed by your password in the text boxes appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. Start off by typing in your correct login ID that you created while registering for your online banking account. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your login ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot Login ID or the Forgot Password link in order to get help resetting your password or looking for your credentials. If you're not yet enrolled for online banking for Yes Bank, then you can click on the Register Here link in order to enroll for online banking first. After filling in all of the necessary credentials, you can click the login button and you'll be able to log in and access your net banking account. Select the credit cards option from the menu in order to access your credit card account for Yes Bank. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.